Hello and welcome. My name is Richard Rosenthal, and I am the head of training and onboarding here at Momentum AMP. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up and managing calendars in Momentum CRM. To get started, you will first need to click on Calendars on the left navigation panel. From there, click on Calendar Settings. Once there, click on Create Calendar. Here, you will see different types of calendars available, depending on what you need to build. For example, a round-robin calendar is ideal for sales, onboarding sessions, or team-based scheduling. Event calendars, on the other hand, are primarily used for physical events like conferences or workshops. I have already created a few calendars, so let's quickly review the settings. You can upload your logo, name the calendar, add a description, and set up the URL and address. You can also configure your working hours and availability. Additionally, you have the option to link this CRM calendar to your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar for seamless integration. If you click on the drop-down menu and don't see any options for linking your calendar, don't worry. Simply click on the provided link, which will take you to the integration settings. From there, you can connect your Google account. Once that's done, navigate to My Profile, scroll down to Calendar Settings, and complete the integration from there. When you return to the calendar settings, your linked accounts will now appear in the drop-down menu. Once your calendar is set up and integrated, the next step is sharing it. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, select Share, and copy either the scheduling link or the permanent link. Both options will work, and you can send these links to your customers via email or text. Additionally, you can embed the calendar directly onto your website for easy client access. Finally, when you return to the main calendar tab, you will find your central hub for creating new appointments and managing bookings. With just a few simple steps, you are now ready to manage appointments effortlessly using Momentum CRM. Thank you for joining me today.